It is now your time to kiss the bride.
My love. Tapos na. Pangako ko, hindi ako mapapagod. Hindi ako magsasawa. Kahit natupakin ka minsan. At matampuin, ay lagi pala. Lagi kitang susuyuin.
From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one. Right beside you is where I belong. From this moment on, from this moment, I have been blessed. I live on thee.
My love, ito na yung araw at hinihintay natin yung panahon na matupad na lahat ng dream natin. Ito na yung, lalo yung dream mo kasi gustong-gusto mo ikaw yung makikita ng mga parents mo, kapatid mo na ikakasal tayo sa ganitong bagay. Ito na yun. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you.
My thank you is not enough, but saying I do is the best thing I can do for you to have me and to hold on to for the rest of my life.
I promise you this, there is nothing I wouldn't give from this moment on.
May papangako ko lang sa'yo, pupunuin ko ng pagmamahal, pagrespetong karapat-dapat na binibigay sa isang pinagkaloob ng may kapal.
Hindi man natin araw-araw mamahalin ang isa't isa, pero gagawin ko ang makakaya kong manatili at ipagdarasal na manaigang pagmamahal sa isa't isa. kaysa mag-aksaya ng laway na nauuwi sa away.
This moment, as long as I live, I will love you. I promise you this, there is nothing I would.
Love, thank you for giving me a chance to be a part of your life. Kahit na madaming struggle sa atin, but you still choose to be with me. And now, we're here now. Thank you and I love you.